In order to understand how Index can produce machines and assemble machines the way that they do, coming to Index in Germany is the absolute best way to experiencing that. When we see Index machines making parts for other Index machines and then those parts being used in assemblies and entire machines, it's an amazing experience and something that you can't get anywhere else. You have to be here in Germany.
I think it's very interesting to know the ins and outs and the quality of what you're buying. They do a fantastic job of showing us the platform all the way through how the machine is made and how you can get the reliability from it.
I'm very impressed. The multi-spindle Traub, that wasn't on my bingo card. That's a pretty cool machine.
If you want to produce good quality tools or products in general, the machine, the equipment of the machine, in order to have the good end product. And that's the reason, since 30 years, why we are using Index machine in-house.
Customers will be able to see Index and Traub machines in our production facilities, but at the open house itself, they're able to see hundreds of machines here at Index in Germany.
Anybody could buy a machine, but what Index is going to provide for you is going to be solutions, and it's going to make a difference in the way you run your business.